Plant FAQs. Begonia Silver Limbo. What is Begonia Silver Limbo? Hi everyone, Furbu here. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of the Begonia Silver Limbo, a captivating houseplant renowned for its mesmerizing foliage. This Rex begonia variety boasts a unique charm, making it a coveted addition to any indoor space. But before you rush out and snag one, let's explore some frequently asked questions to ensure you can provide the perfect environment for this little gem to thrive. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. How much light does a Begonia Silver Limbo need? While begonias love light, the Silver Limbo prefers bright, indirect sunlight. Direct sun exposure can scorch its delicate leaves, leaving unsightly burns. So, think dappled sunlight filtering through a sheer curtain, rather than a south-facing window with intense afternoon sun. Tip: rotate your Begonia Silver Limbo regularly to ensure even growth and prevent it from leaning towards the light source. How often should I water my Begonia Silver Limbo? The key to watering a Begonia Silver Limbo is maintaining consistent moisture in the soil. Stick your finger into the potting mix about an inch deep. If it feels dry to the touch, it's watering time. However, avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Tip: consider using a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for houseplants. This allows excess water to drain freely, preventing root problems. Does a Begonia Silver Limbo need high humidity? As a native of tropical regions, the Begonia Silver Limbo thrives in a humid environment. Our homes tend to be drier, especially during winter. Here are some ways to increase humidity around your plant. Use a pebble tray. Fill a tray with pebbles and water. Sit your begonia on top, ensuring the pot doesn't touch the water. As the water evaporates, it increases humidity around the plant. Group plants together. Plants naturally transpire, releasing moisture into the air. Clustering your Begonia Silver Limbo with other humidity-loving plants creates a mini, humid microclimate. Invest in a humidifier. This is the most effective way to maintain consistent humidity levels. What is the ideal temperature for a Begonia Silver Limbo? The Begonia Silver Limbo prefers warm temperatures, ideally between 68 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature drops or cold drafts, as this can stress the plant. How often should I fertilize my Begonia Silver Limbo? During its active growing season, spring and summer, you can feed your Begonia Silver Limbo a diluted liquid fertilizer once a month. However, avoid over-fertilizing, which can cause mineral buildup in the soil and damage the roots. During winter, when growth slows, fertilizing isn't necessary. My Begonia Silver Limbo's leaves are losing color. What's wrong? Several factors can contribute to color loss in your Begonia Silver Limbo. Light deficiency. Ensure it receives sufficient bright, indirect light. Nutrient deficiency. Consider a light feeding with a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Overwatering. Check for root rot. If present, repot the plant in fresh, well-draining soil. My Begonia Silver Limbo has brown spots on the leaves. What's causing this? Brown spots on the leaves can be caused by fungal disease. This is more likely in overly moist conditions. Improve ventilation and adjust your watering schedule. Bacterial infection. Treat with a copper-based fungicide if necessary. Can I propagate my Begonia Silver Limbo? Absolutely. There are two main methods for propagating your Begonia Silver Limbo. Leaf cuttings. Take a healthy leaf, cut along the main vein on the underside, and plant the section in a well-draining potting mix. Stem cuttings. Cut a healthy stem section with a few nodes, remove the lower leaves, and plant it in a pot with moist soil. Comparison: Begonia Silver Limbo versus other Rex begonias. While the Silver Limbo is a standout, there's a whole world of Rex begonias to explore. Here's a quick comparison with two popular varieties. Begonia escargot. This Rex begonia boasts stunning, spiraled leaves with a deep burgundy base and lighter green veins. It thrives in similar conditions to the Silver Limbo, but requires slightly more humidity. Begonia crimson tears. This variety features ruffled, heart-shaped leaves with a deep, velvety green base adorned with dramatic red markings. It prefers slightly brighter light than the Silver Limbo and enjoys consistent moisture. Final thoughts. Embrace the allure of the Begonia Silver Limbo. With its mesmerizing silver foliage and captivating presence, The Begonia Silver Limbo is a true gem for any plant enthusiast. By providing the right care, you can witness its beauty flourish and bring a touch of the tropics indoors. Remember, consistent moisture, bright, indirect light, and warm temperatures are key to keeping this stunning begonia happy and thriving. So, bring a touch of silver magic into your home and enjoy the captivating charm of the Begonia Silver Limbo.